Hello everyone. I am still off schedule and Hubby is still my voice. So today you get my voice in Terry's hands. Super exciting. Today I am doing a layout share of the pages I did in April. I didn't make as many as usual because I made some baby kits. I will be making kits again this month to prepare for June's 30 days of sketches with Christie's Beautiful Life. So here we go. Alex and her twin hunting eggs. I did Aiden's last month. This was March's collection obsession, 2-page layout. This is Brenna, our oldest granddaughter. Using Through the Seasons grad photos. Wow, neat. Second oldest grandchild, Tegan. 49 Market Moonlit Garden. Neato. Youngest grandson using one of the baby kits I made. Woohoo! Second grandchild again, using Through the Seasons. Wow. Companion page, also with Through the Seasons kit. I'm impressed. Collection Obsession for April layout. Layout 1. Alex in her plastic garden. All right, and we have Skylar in her backyard. Also April's collection obsession layout. Number 2.
I don't have enough room.
Celebration hop for Ginger's corner, 2-page layout using Scrape Solar Eclipse. Scraps Solar Eclipse.
There's videos for all of these.
There's also videos for all of these layouts. Thanks again. for joining me and hubby. Blessings.